Meaning of facilitator.
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 Facilitator. A facilitator is an individual or group that helps to make a process or activity easier or more efficient. They do this by guiding and supporting others in achieving their goals, often by providing resources and assistance and removing obstacles. As a result, the facilitator helps to create a positive and productive environment where everyone can work together effectively. Facilitators may work in a variety of settings, such as business, education, or community organizations, and they play an important role in promoting collaboration, communication, and problem-solving among individuals and groups.